Hello everyone. Today, I would like to talk about safety. Why do we design it this way? Look at this. Why do we have to start keys? Because if there is only one button, when the operator presses start, the other hand may reach in. We now have the buttons that can be pressed at the same time to prevent the other hand from reaching in and causing injury. This is safer. We have also talked about safety issues before. You must be careful when operating a hydraulic press. Moreover, it is necessary to operate it and use properly. Otherwise, you will be injured, especially with larger hydraulic machines. We put our customers' safety first. Our machine double button start, the standard configuration. We also have high-end configuration that is equipped with a light gradient, which can sense when your hand is about to reach in, and the machine will automatically pause. We are constantly upgrading our products, improve our equipment, make our machine more advanced. Okay, keep to follow Lang Yang. See you next time. Bye bye.